In this video lecture, today we are going to talk about the job role of Warehouse Binner Class 9, in which we are going to cover Unit 4, Methods and Procedures of Binning, Session 2, Procedure of Binning. So viewers, here are the important topics which we'll be discussing in this video. Binning process. Now, we'll discuss in detail. Warehouses are becoming increasingly complex. They need to be agile and efficient as they handle more orders with greater speed and increased accuracy. Binner monitors every transaction through its various stages, receiving to when the goods are ready to leave the warehouse. The number of successful transactions, example, picks, put away, transactions in process and transaction in error can be monitored online and in real time. Receiving of goods and making it outbound several steps are followed by binner. Following steps are clear in the figure of binning process. Step 1. Receipt of goods. Step 2. Sorting or checking. Step 3. Storing the goods at appropriate place. Step 4. Recording the goods as per detail at its proper location. Step 5. Receiving outbound requirements. Step 6. Sorting and packaging. So now we'll discuss in detail. The following is a step-by-step description of the binning process. Step number 1. Receipts of goods. The binner will get the receipt of the goods and check the items as per the list mentioned in the receipt. At the time of receiving the goods, the following things should be checked: right product, right quality, right quantity, right weight, right condition, right standard, right time, right place, and right person. Step number 2. Sorting and checking. Next step after receiving the goods. The binner will then sort the goods. It is also mandatory for him to check whether the mentioned goods in the list are correct or not. Along with this, he will also cross-check availability of the space for items or listed goods. Step number 3. Storing the goods at the appropriate place. After checking the goods inside, one of the important responsibilities of the binner is to allocate the goods at right place. Now, the binner will arrange the goods based on the popularity. The arranged goods will be placed as mentioned in the place of each item. The binner will follow the two methods. First one, FIFO method, that is first in, first out. This is used to arrange the goods on the basis of regular requirement. For example, the consumable items, example, packed foods, ready-to-eat fruits and vegetables, etc., which have less expiry period, so they are moved out immediately after manufacturing, and those products should be sold within a short period of time. Second one, FILO, first in, last out method. This method is used to arrange the goods as per their nature and their requirements. It is also based on assumptions that goods are sold. For example, the items which have a longer expiry date and can wait for a year or more in the inventory, as in the case of woolen items, can be stored in a warehouse and can be moved out next year. Step number 4. Recording the goods as per the details at its proper location. After the goods are stored at the right place, the recording process starts, in which the description of the goods is given. The description list will have a number of columns in which material code, location code, etc. are mentioned. This is also known as bin card. The bin card contains description material code, location code, bin number, ordering level, ordering quantity, etc. Step number 5. Receiving outbound requirements. Once the recording process is over, the binner will start receiving outbound requirements. When the binner receives the requirements lists from the supervisor, he checks the stock availability as per the requirement mentioned in the list. If the goods are available, then the binner will take out the goods from the specific place and cross-check it again. After cross-checking the list, the binner will inform the reporting person about it. The binner will also give the checklist. Checklist includes the items which are moved out from the area and the received list from the reporting manager. Step number 6. Sorting and packaging. Sorting is the differentiating of items which have been received or moved out from the Bay Area. Sometimes the binner has to do packaging work when the received goods are loose. Example: wheat, rice, pulses, etc. This can be an additional work for the binner. After completion of this work, the binner will be responsible in arranging the packed goods in their proper places. We can also understand this concept with the help of an activities. So first activity includes you need to visit a warehouse in your area and interact with the owner regarding binning and prepare a report in not more than 50 words. Materials required: checklist, notebook, pen, pencils. Following procedure need to be followed. First, arrange a visit to a warehouse nearby your area. Second, greet the people you meet at the warehouse. Third, meet warehouse binner if available. Fourth, ask them to explain the basics of binning process. Fifth, write the process of binning in your copy. Sixth, draw a step chart of binning activity. Seventh, ensure about your work completion. Eighth, discuss with the classmates in front of your teacher. Ninth, write the conclusion of it. After this, teacher should check the learning outcomes. Next activity which can be performed is role play. For this, teacher should note, divide the class into groups, 4 students in each group, and ask them to perform the following binning activities stepwise in the warehouse. For group number 1, receipts of goods. From second, sorting or checking. From third, storing the goods at appropriate place. From fourth, recording the goods. From fifth, receiving outbound requirements. For sixth, other additional activity. After this, teacher should check the learning outcomes from this activity. Now, let's summarize today's video session. Today, you learn about the steps of binning and binning process. So, I suppose you must have had a good learning experience watching this video. So keep watching and enjoy learning. Thank you.